So hello guys, today we'll be solving this question number 24. So the question is consider the following equation. So we have two equation over here, in one in acidic basic medium and one is in acidic medium. So we have to find the sum of stoichiometric coefficient x, y, x dash, y dash and z dash for products A, B, C, D and E respectively. So let's get to the answer. So on completing the reaction, given reaction, we will get 2Fe2 plus H2O2 gives us 2Fe3 plus 2OH negative. So this component will get, okay. So and in second one we'll get 2MnO4 negative plus 6H plus 5H2O2 gives us 2Mn plus 2 plus 5O2 plus 8H2O. Here x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 and x dash is equal to 2, y dash is equal to 5 and z dash is equal to 8. So what we have to do is we have to find the sum. So we'll add all of these x, y, x dash, y dash and z dash component. So after adding it we'll get answer 19. So 19 is the correct answer. Thank you.